guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Recently you saw my trip to Calverton shooting range with my friends, and we tried out some new targets. We received those targets from Tactical Target Systems. Another company, my new friends over at TORRES Targets, sent me some of their targets to try for my next trip to the range as well. I'm going to open them up and show you what they look like. They're very unique. I mean, super unique. I've never seen targets like this before, and I'm pretty sure you haven't either. Here we go. Ooh, cool. I'll shoot her! I'm telling you, I'm gonna shoot her! Back away! Drop your weapons! Awesome. Holy cow, did they give me one of everything? Is that appropriate for today's date or what? Awesome. Putin sucks. I mean, unless you support the invaders, that's a different story. Hey, dead man walking again. Hey, it's that guy, Jihadi John? Yeah. It's the Emperor, Kim Jong-un. Wow, look at that. That's cool, huh? Almost like an anatomy type thing, you know, parts of your body where you can mark exactly if you can hit those vital organs. That's very cool. Of course, you get a 5-time bonus for hitting them in the heart, right? Awesome. Very unique, huh? Oh, look at that. I don't want to kill him, just wound him. Well, practice on his legs. Hit the kneecap for 10 points. Awesome. Very unique targets, huh? So some very unique and cool targets. Having cool targets makes shooting at the range a lot more fun than just your normal target, you know? Bullseye, blah, 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 you know? It makes it interesting for sure. Thanks a lot to TORREStargets.com for sending them to me. I'll make sure to do a follow-up video when I go to the range next. I'm going to bring all the TORRES targets with me, and we're going to do some shooting. Thanks a lot again, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
How about the lining?
Tactical.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.